Welcome back to Master English Every Day, a peaceful space where we grow our English and also grow our heart. Here, every word is a gentle step, every sentence a moment of mindfulness. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Let your mind slow down. And let's begin together. H. Episode, What is Love? A Gentle Truth in Simple English. What is love? Is it a feeling, a decision, a moment, or a lifetime? We hear this word everywhere, in songs, in movies, in books. But what does it really mean? Love is not always grand. It's not always dramatic. Love does not have to be perfect. Sometimes love is simply being there, in silence, in presence, in the way you look at someone when they're tired, in the way you hold a hand even when you don't know what to say. Love is in the little things, making a warm cup of tea, sitting together in a quiet room, asking, "How are you today?" and truly listening to the answer. Love is kindness. It is patience. It is understanding that everyone is growing in their own way, at their own pace. It is not about controlling. It is not about fixing. It is not about expecting someone to complete you. You are already whole. You are already enough. Love begins here, inside of you, in how you speak to yourself, in how gently you treat your heart, in how you forgive yourself for not being perfect. Because when you love yourself in this soft, true way, you start to love others with more freedom, with less fear, with deeper presence. Love is not always romantic. Sometimes it's just staying. Staying when someone is sad, staying when things are hard, staying honest, staying open. Love does not rush. Love waits. Love listens. Love grows. And when love is true, it feels safe. Not because everything is easy, but because everything is real. So what is love? Love is choice. Love is energy. Love is life. And life, when filled with love, becomes brighter. Not perfect, but meaningful. Not always easy, but always worth it. And remember, love doesn't only come from others. It comes from within you, from your breath, from your words, from your stillness. So today, speak kindly to yourself. Be patient with your own journey. Hold space for your emotions. And trust that love, gentle, healing love, is already inside you. H. Affirmations. Repeat after me in your heart or out loud. I am worthy of love. I give love freely. I receive love openly. I treat myself with kindness. I let love guide my thoughts and actions. Love flows through me. Love begins with me. H. outro, call to action. Thank you for spending this healing moment with Master English every day. If this podcast touched your heart, please follow, share, and leave a kind comment. Let's build a community where English is not just learned, it's felt. Where every word leads us to more light, more peace, and more love. Until next time, take care of your soul. Smile gently and keep love close. See you soon, Yellow.